This right here I have used by helping with endurance. It's very lightweight, so it doesn't really help with body strength, but it helps with balance, and it teaches me how to fight with the bow staff, I guess is the proper name for it. And I used to hit myself in the head with it a lot, which would get me angry. Whack, and I'd be dead. I'm joking, I wouldn't be dead, but I didn't like it. And I would hit myself, as I said, and it would test me and make me angry. Oh, look at the little birdie. I love nature. And so what I would do is I would get angry and throw it as far as I could, get angry at it, stomp on the ground, make an angry face, maybe say a few words that were naughty, maybe not to few, but saying, words that people don't like. Anyway, and it would test my what would you call it? Patience. That is a virtue. It says that right in the Bible. But I love everything. Which means primitive and technological helps. You must have a balance. Thank you.